My original problem was a non-working hob, displaying error code E8. RepairCare have visited 3 times, and replaced the induction control board and the hob user interface board. Now I have error E9, and the damn thing beeps all the time. Prior to their next visit to replace the main control board, in the back of the cooker, I'm interested in what these error codes actually mean, because RepairCare apparently have no idea at all.
Hi. Can you post the make and model number, and once I have this I will be able to see if I can help you. Regards.
Oh, sorry, yeah, that would be useful. Smile. It's an AEG D98000-VFW standalone electric-only cooker.
Hi. Okay, that's fine, I know these. E8 is a communication fault between the smaller touch control board and the main board. This can be either loose wires on there, or the display board or the main board at faulty here. The E9 error code is a software fault on the main control board. Sounds like it's either the wrong board or it's faulty, that's why it's coming up as E9. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
Read the E8 error. When you say main board faulty, do you mean the hob control board in the top, or the master board in the back of the oven? Also, the E9 code refers to the master board in the back of the oven? Cheers.
Hi. Yep, the E9 is the master board at the back. But the E8 can be either the hob control board or the touch control board or the wiring in between them both. This can be a nightmare error code to fix the E8, as it could be a few boards causing the fault, as it's the communication between all 3 boards which creates the E8. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.